To tell if you're really in love with someone, pay attention to the way you think about them. If you find yourself thinking about the other person all the time, or if you can't imagine your future without them, then there's a good chance you're in love with them. Consider how you feel about their opinions, too. Do you really value what they think and what they have to say? If you have to make a big decision, do you ask them for their input? If so, then you probably love and care about them. It's also a good sign if you notice the other person's flaws, but you accept them for who they are anyway. Check your own behavior as well. When you're in love with someone, you'll want to be the best version of yourself around them. Pay attention to whether you enjoy helping them and spending time with them, even when you're not doing anything that exciting together. You might also find that you're more willing to step outside of your comfort zone or make compromises for someone you love. Also, you'll feel more comfortable opening up to them and truly being yourself. Being in love isn't always easy, so pay attention to how you feel and how you behave in good times as well as bad. If you're able to make it through rough patches together and still come out feeling good about your relationship, then there's a good chance you're in love.